Let's face it, it just feels good to make smart decisions. Unfortunately, identifying the best choice within a decision is not an easy thing to do. The reason for this is simple: bounded rationality. It is the economist Herbert Simon's Nobel Prize-winning notion that our ability to make rational decisions is limited by three things. 1. The information we have. 2. Our ability to process and quantify the information. And 3. The amount of time we have available to make the decision. As a consequence of bounded rationality, we essentially give up on trying to identify and select the optimum choice, and instead, we seek an outcome that we deem to be simply good enough. Be honest with yourself, we all do it. We find and select these satisfactory outcomes using mental shortcuts known as heuristics and cognitive biases, concepts researched in the field of behavioral economics. These mental shortcuts are frequently irrational and are exemplified with thoughts like, "It's the most expensive, so it must be the best," or believing all features of a choice are good just because one is particularly strong. Value Verdict has been created to extend the boundaries of our rationality by focusing on problem area number 2, one's ability to process and quantify information. It enables you to identify optimal choices and thus obtain the greatest value. Thank you for your interest. Please don't hesitate to contact us with any questions or feedback.